Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete playlists on YouTube on your Android mobile device. So before you open your YouTube apps, you can try to update the apps first via Play Store. And here, just update with this button. So if you don't have the update button, it means your YouTube is already up to date. So in order to delete your playlist, let's open your YouTube first. So you need to go to your profile, tap it, and search for your playlist. As you can see, I only have two playlists here. So this liked video, you cannot delete it because it's already by default is already there. So in order to delete this liked video, you have to delete one by one. You have to unlike the video one by one. But like a custom album, you need to delete manually, like tap three dots, then there is a delete album or delete playlist, just tap it. And also there is a watch later. Of course, it's the same with the liked video. You cannot delete this playlist. You have to delete the video one by one. So for example, let's create a new playlist first. Now we can tap create. Now here, in order to delete the playlist, you need to tap view all, and this is the playlist. So tap three dot, then tap delete. Now yes, delete the playlist. So your playlist now completely removed. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.